Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and hooray, hooray, 50k. We're celebrating 50,000 subscribers here on this channel, and I really want to thank you guys out there for all this tremendous support you are giving me and Dr. Pink over the years. It was quite a journey to get here. It was always in small steps, but that's my life in a book. I always went things small steps, but just continuous, and I'm so glad I reached this kind of, I would say, a threshold. It's really, I never thought I would reach this, and thanks to you guys out there, your fun and your joy for guitar playing, and also for following my ideas and the ideas of Dr. Pink. What about concerning guitar playing and learning guitar? And there's amazing new stuff on the way. The journey never ends. That's what I always try to teach all my students. The journey never ends. And of course, today's HPCrazy channel is not the same as like 10 years ago. It's now evolving and getting more into the musical and guitar journey. And what in fact is at the moment happening, I'm merging my two main things I'm doing. This will be the HPCrazy here, and I call this Farbmusik. You always see these colors here. That's not really, that's always on purpose, because I'm a synesthetic musician. Jimi Hendrix was one. So music for me is colors, emotions are colors, and is always connected with colors. And I try to teach this, I try to show this in music, and I'm merging this more and more now. And there's some new music coming in the very near future. I'm working on some cinematic stuff. I will teach cinematic composing, will teach cinematic guitar playing, and all stuff will also come beside the stuff we already have here, and probably also will teach and play colors if it's in your interest, but we will see. I'm gonna show you, to celebrate, hooray hooray 50k, a really brand new song of mine called Heroes. This is the color which it represents, the emotions of this color. And thanks for your support, and let's go to 100k.